Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a brand new explainer and I'm going to show you something absolutely crazy. We're looking at exactly how hackers can compromise a system in literally just a few minutes. And, more importantly, how you can stay safe from it.
Now, real quick before we start, I've got to lay down a crucial warning. This explainer is strictly for educational purposes only. Obviously, understanding an attacker is exactly how you defend your own network, but do not, I repeat, do not try this on systems you don't actually own, okay?
All right, let's jump right in. Step 1, scanning the network.
So, let's set the scene. Let's say there's a target machine sitting quietly on the exact same network as you. And for this scenario, you are the attacker. Now, the very first thing hackers do is run a network scan. They'll use a command like nmap-sv to find all the active devices and their open ports. Think of it like walking down a long hotel hallway and just sort of checking every single door handle to see what's unlocked.
Boom! The scan returns a list of IP addresses. But if you look closely, one detail jumps out right away. Port 21 is listed as open. Now, in the networking world, an open port is basically an open door. And seeing port 21 left wide open, well, that's the exact kind of breadcrumb an attacker is actively hunting for.
Which brings us to spotting the weakness, the vulnerability.
So, why is this a massive green flag for an attacker? Well, because port 21 means FTP, or File Transfer Protocol. Now, the protocol itself isn't necessarily the problem, but if FTP is misconfigured or, just left with its out-of-the-box settings, it becomes incredibly dangerous. An attacker sees this and immediately knows, hey, there's a file server here that might not be totally locked down.
Next up, the exploit brute force attack.
Here is the hacker's rapid workflow. Step 1, find port 21. Step 2, identify that it's FTP. Now for step 3, hackers know that, honestly, humans can be a little lazy with security, so they immediately try default credentials or use a brute force attack to just guess the passwords. They'll fire off super common combinations, like username admin, password admin123. An automated script can literally throw thousands of these at the server in a matter of seconds.
And boom, access granted. Just like that, the system is totally compromised. The attacker is in. They can read files, upload malicious code, or even pivot deeper into the network. From that initial scan to complete system takeover, literally only a few minutes have passed. Crazy, right?
Okay, but let's talk about defending your system, how to stay safe.
Don't worry, here is exactly how you stay safe and block an attacker at every single step along the way. Number 1, use strong passwords so those brute force scripts completely fail. 2, disable unused ports. Seriously, if you don't actually need FTP, just close the door. 3, constantly keep your systems updated to patch any known bugs. 4, use a firewall and an intrusion prevention system to detect and instantly block brute force attempts in real time. And 5, never, ever trust public networks. Always use a VPN to encrypt your traffic.
Now, if you implement those 5 steps, you become an incredibly difficult target. But what about when hackers don't attack the machine at all? What about phishing attacks? How do attackers use basic psychological manipulation to totally bypass all your technical defenses and just trick you into handing over the keys? Well, if you found this explainer useful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more real-world security content. Because in our next explainer, we're diving straight into the psychology of phishing. Stay safe, stay curious, and thanks for hanging out.